Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Chrysler Grand Voyager 2.8 CRD. The procedure is similar on other Chryslers and Jeep cars with the 2.8 liter CRD engine. So we're going to be replacing the right engine mount, which is right there just behind the serpentine belt underneath the air filter housing. So first we need to remove the engine cover and the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Before removing the engine mount, first we need to put a jack underneath the engine to hold the engine while we remove the engine mount. Next, I'm going to disconnect those two fuel lines. You don't need to disconnect them if you have enough space to remove the bolts for the engine mount, but I'm going to disconnect them anyway just to have a better view of the removal of the engine mount. Next, I'm going to remove the 5 bolts holding the engine mount. Now that all the bolts are removed, I can take out the engine mount. That's the engine mount right there. And now I can replace it with a new one, and that's it. Next, I'll tighten the bolts on the engine mount and then assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.